About this item: infrared wireless remote for video and photo. This Sony camera wireless remote shutter control is convenient for taking personal and professional videos and photos. Need to turn on the remote control function with camera settings, and set the lens to AF mode. Operating range up to 32 feet. This Sony camera remote shutter control works well directly within 32 feet. The remote control works best indoors, but functions well outdoors. You can join in family photos and videos anytime and anywhere. Sharp videos and photos. Foto&Tech's camera photo video wireless shutter release minimizes vibrations to capture great photos. It supports video mode, picture mode, HDR mode, bulb mode, long exposure night shot, continuous and single shot. Includes 3 VCR 2025 battery. It requires one battery, which is installed inside the Sony camera wireless remote shutter control. It runs on a lithium button cell battery with any brand of your choosing. Compatible with Sony cameras. Replaces Sony RMT DSLR2 remote control. This shutter release is compatible with Sony Alpha A7R 4, A7R 3, A7 III, A9, A7R 2, A7 II, A7, A7R, A7S, A6600, A6500, A6400, A6300, A6000, A33, A55, A57, A65, A77, A99, A900, A700, A850, A58, A560, A550, A500, A450, A390, A380, A330, A290, A230 DSLRs ILC A99 M2 ILC A77 M2 ILC E97S M277 RM47 RM37 RM27 R7 cubic meters 7 square meters 7 6600 6500 6000